Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're making a very easy vegan sweet potato quinoa chili casserole. So as you see on the screen, just add some onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, aubergine or eggplant depending on where you come from, sweet potatoes, of course, garlic, chili and thyme. And then you make sure to use the stalks and not the leaves, and then add some kale, massage it so that it gets a little bit soft before putting it. And then I used homemade tomato paste and then some olive oil. So just mix it up all together and make sure everything is, well, you don't have to make sure everything is mixed because it will eventually mix up. Then add 1 cup of quinoa and then followed by 2 cups of water. I used hot water, and then after this I just added everything else, the seasoning, which is black pepper, salt and some cayenne pepper. And this is such an easy recipe because everything goes into one dish. Just cook this up for about 40 minutes the first time, and then just add the leftover coriander leaves and then put it back in for about 20 more minutes to 15. When you take it out, this is what it should look like. Oh my god, it was amazing. And the good thing about such meals is that you can use them for meal preps, and there is nothing better than that. Personally, I don't like to plan in advance, so I just put everything in one dish and then just serve it up as I go. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. See you guys next time. Bye.